Oh, looks like the curl came out. That's okay. Apparently, I know how to do this now. Okay. Okay, so all the ties have one end. So this is what it looks like so far. Pretty, huh? So I think I'm going to add a couple more because I do have 2 extra full pieces. So I'm just going to look where I feel like I need a piece. I feel like I need a piece right here. So I'm just going to put a tie. At this point, I'm just going to put it on the outside. Okay, and then I'm going to put a color one, pink and white, in between that one. I'm going to put it long ways though, because I feel like it's going to cover more if I put it long ways. Let me see what it looks like. I don't think I like it long ways. Let me try it just this way. Okay. No, yeah, I think I like it like that better. Okay, so I'm going to put a piece there and the white piece possibly in here where this bare spot is. And I'm also going to use the khaki color, but I'm going to put this one on the inside. I'm going to pull up all the edges so it's nice and fluffy. Okay. Alright, so that's what we have so far. And then the next step is going to be the ribbon. So we're going to cut the ribbon 12 inches. Now where is my measurer? Okay, so So this is a 12-inch tail measure, and I'm going to use the 1.5-inch width. Actually, all of the ribbon are 1.5-inch width, just to make the 12-inch pieces of ribbon that we're going to put on our wreaths. So anyway, we have 18, was it 18? No, it was 16, and then we added the 2. So we have 18 ties. We have 4, we're going to have 2 in each. So 36, 4,